Now in these four sentences, I have covered present tense, full present tense. This is your simple present tense. This is continuous tense, present continuous. This is your present perfect tense. And last one is present perfect continuous. I have covered present tense in these four sentences. Now think about the rules. One hint, if said is written outside, you have to change it into past tense. Now think that what is the past tense of simple present tense? Then present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. सारे past में change होंगे, ठीक है? Now 4 lines are there. You will tell answer, but slowly. Okay? Sahib, please first answer. Okay, well done. Yes, Gaurish, first answer, and after that Sarang.
Yes, ma'am. She said that she lived in Delhi.
Okay, fine. Yes, Sarang, second answer. And after that, Madhav. Yes, please. He says to me, why are you changing this thing? Said to changes to, he will tell only. I think we have been doing this since the beginning of the session. Said to changes to, कैसे मान लिया? Said to changes to everyone, told. He told me that. Now said is written outside, change it into past tense. How to change is MR to past tense? That I change according to the subject. I ही बन जाएगा. बेटा is MR की past form क्या होती है? Himalaya, tell me the complete answer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second answer. Madhav, second answer.
Second answer. He told me that he was waiting for me.
So is MR, what is the past form of is MR? Was were. So your answer will be he told me that he was waiting for me. As you change according to the listener. Yes, please. He told, yes. Said to no, told only. If you will write said to, I will deduct half mark. So in this place, you will, yes, Aiga. He told me that I always change according to the speaker and you always change according to the listener. Okay? Now the third one. Yes, Arshia. Given के बाद क्या बोला आपने? Who's the listener here? Okay. Fine. Yes, Harmeet, same answer, third answer.
Yes, ma'am. My teacher told me that she, my teacher told me that she had given your name for that question.
One mistake is there. I told you, you or your. They change according to listener. कौन सुन रहा है अभी टीचर को? Me. So my name, not your name, my name. So your answer will be, the teacher told me that she had or he had, maybe teacher is male, maybe female. Rajaran, get ready. It's your turn next. She had given my name for that competition. So see how many changes are there. You will change this I into he or she, then have into had, okay? Given same, my name. Here you will write my name For this changes to that. For that competition. So many changes are there. If said is written outside, you have to change the whole sentence almost. Yes, Rajaryan. Who's the speaker? Who's the speaker here? Who's saying? Speaker कौन है बेटा? Forget the whole sentence. Just these two words. Who's the speaker? बोल कौन रहा है इसमें? They. So you will change this we according to this. तो we किस में change हो जाएगा? They में. Okay. Mitarthi, same answer. Okay. Yes, Devang.
Yes, ma'am.
They said that
They said that they had been studying since morning.
they had been studying since morning. Now, this was the present tense. Said is written outside, and I hope it is clear to you. First form changes to second form. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Simple. Now, I am writing the 4 sentences of past tense, and again, you people will give me answer. Okay? Get ready, please. Deliberately, I'm writing all the sentences using said. As you already know, if says is written, then there will be no change. आएंगे बिल्कुल. In the last, I'll give you 2-3 sentences of says. ठीक है? Now, these are the 4 sentences of past tense. This is simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now, you have to change accordingly. First line, last time kiski turn आई थी? Okay, Arman will tell us today. This one. Second form ही रहेगी. No change. सरब व्यापक, सेम सेंटेंस बेटा. सेकंड फॉर्म, आई टोल्ड यू, यही वाला रूल बहुत बच्चे भूलते हैं. समथिंग इज मिसिंग. हरमन, second form changes to, okay. Jasmine, same sentence beta.
That she had eaten my chocolate.
Repeat it. What did you say?
She said that she had eaten my chocolate.
Your chocolate. He had eaten your chocolate beta. मतलब उसने मेरी चॉकलेट खा ली या उसने अपनी खाई है चॉकलेट? I told you I and my, ये जो फर्स्ट वाले होते हैं they change according to speaker. My changes it. Yes, कौन बोला था अभी? Yes, her. She had eaten her chocolate. उसने अपनी चॉकलेट खाई है बेटा, not yours. I, my, me, they always change according to the speaker. She, और ये rule I don't know why so many students forget this rule. अरमान अब याद रहेगा. Second form of verb had plus third form. She had eaten her chocolate. Okay, next one, second line. सबकी टर्न आ गई सेकंड में. Okay, Khushi will tell us second sentence. From here also, online students, please raise your hands. आगे क्या लिखा है? कॉलिंग. Different students, please raise hands. Adgun, Akshara. Today I'll do one thing. जो अपनी वीडियो
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने सबको रिमूव कर देना आज मीटिंग से. Adgun, you have just 1 minute. अगर ना रिस्पॉन्स आया तो I am going to remove you. Akshara, please tell me the sixth answer. Are you there, Akshara?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Number 6.
He told me that he was calling me.
No, was, were. Rule ही नहीं पता बेटा. Anyone else? Was, were changed to? Gorish, tell us the rule. I know you know. Offline
Yes,
वाला को
ma'am.
पता I know. Gorish, what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
rule? Was, were changed to?
Ma'am, had been plus first form plus ing.
There are only I think 10 to 12 rules. I don't know why बेटा आपको क्यों वो learn नहीं हो रहे. Present tense is so easy. You have to change it into past tense. सारे इतने easy. Future में एक ही rule है. Will changes to would. Otherwise no rule. बस ये 2 rules याद करने, यही नहीं हो रहे आपको. और 6 महीने हो गए मुझे ये rules करवाते हो. Only few students. Unfortunately, few students are there जिनको आता है. Okay, next. Had. समृद्धि. बेटा, my sister is telling me some about someone, so he will remain he. He, she अगर आ जाए तो वो same रहते हैं. And had always remain same, so same sentence. My sister said that he had sent a gift. Same. No change. Said का? No, sent रहेगा. No change. Now again had is given बेटा. It will remain same. So your answer will be Sahibpreet. She had been same. Now let's revise the rules. Past tense is very easy. दो इसके parts तो ऐसे ही दो change ही नहीं होंगे. Had will remain same. Had again same. Only you have to learn these two rules. Second form, had plus third form, was, were, had been. बस ये दो rules याद कर लो. And I'm sure जब मैं कल पूछूंगी कल भी नहीं आ रहे होंगे. कभी भी नहीं आते ये. Next working day. Now future tense. Future tense is very easy. Just you have to change into would. बस और कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है? Now I'm going to write. Please write down. After this exercise, I will ask you questions. Only rules. Tense will remain. I think this is the easiest one. Will को would में change करना है बस. सबको आता होगा ये तो. I'm starting with Raj Haryan. Number 9. Yes. Write down all answers. I'll ask you one by one. Yes, Adgun. Number 9.
She said that she would not go to the party.
She said that she would not go to the party. Okay. Next is Anmol. Anmol, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta number 10.
Raj told me that he would be sitting with me the next day.
Okay, well done. Raj told me that he would be sitting with me the next day. Tomorrow changes to the next day. Okay, next one. Okay, Arshia, yes. Correct. From here, yes, Devang.
Neha said that by 6 p.m. tomorrow I will have finished this work. Neha said that by 6 p.m. the next day I would have finished this work.
There are two changes.
That work, sorry.
Okay, one change still left. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the sentence, please.
Neha said that
Hmm.
Neha said that by 6 p.m. the next day, I would have finished that work.
Okay. Keep repeating the
She
sentence.
would,
Yes, yes.
she would.
He would have finished. Don't change this have into had, everyone. This will remain same. You have to make only one change. Would have finished that work. Okay. Full stop. So I hope now you have done the rules. Now let's discuss the rules. 4 lines are there. I will ask each and every student, then I'll ask online student. Let's start with Sarab Vyapak. Sarab Vyapak, first question is, सारे सेट दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है? आउटसाइड सेट इज रिटन. सो इज एम आर चेंजेस टू? मैं जितने भी क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ, आई एम आस्किंग इन द केस ऑफ सेट ओनली. ओके, सेट इज रिटन आउटसाइड. was were. Okay, Saipreet, first form of verb. फर्स्ट फॉर्म किस में चेंज होती है? अरमान, हैड. हैड किस में चेंज होता है बेटा? हैड विल रिमेन सेम, हैड ही रहेगा. हरमन, हैज हैव. हैज हैव, हैड. सारंग, विल. खुशी, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑलरेडी गिवन. V3 के साथ ing पॉसिबल है. I had spending money or I had spent money. Okay, so had plus V3. Okay, Arshia, was were. Had, was were दिया हुआ है. नो, had के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म पॉसिबल ही नहीं. Second, okay, was were is given, then please tell me. Had been, okay. Hitarthi, had been. Samriddhi, was were. Was were had में होता है? Sure. Yes, Rajaryan, was were. सुन नहीं रहा बेटा, लाउडली बोलो पहले तो. was were सेम रहेगा? You sure? Keep standing and please learn the rules. Then please let me know. जब याद हो जाए बता देना मेरे को.
Yes, ma'am.
Himalaya, Gorish, 1 minute. Himalaya, second form changes to if said is written outside. Second form किस में change होगी? Well done. अच्छा, second first में हो जाएगी. Well done. Okay, Gorish, second form बेटा.
Ma'am, had plus third form.
Had plus third form. And I told you in the beginning कि आप, मैं थोड़ी देर में पूछूंगी, ये फिर से नहीं आते होंगे. And I was right. Only 2 rules हैं जो आपको याद हो ही नहीं सकता है. I think so. Was were, had been. Second form had V3. हाँ, वो different है. Was were, had been. Was were. Repeat 5 times everyone. Was were. Was were. Was were. Was were. V2. Had V3. V2. V2. ठीक है, अब भूले तो क्लास से बाहर. ओके, समृद्धि, was were. Okay, sit down. One by one, please unmute and please tell me the answers. Devang, look at the screen and tell me was were.
Yes, ma'am.
Was were.
Had been.
Had been. Jasmine, second form. Okay, next. Madhav, second form.
This one,
Second form.
second form had been.
Second form had been.
Was were. Second form was were.
Were. Okay. New rules. I'll definitely try to apply these new rules in my English, you know. Okay, Harmeet. Harmeet,
Yes, ma'am.
V2. V2. Second form of
Had
verb.
plus third. Ma'am, had plus third from.
Okay. So my advice to all of you, please beta learn the rules. सिर्फ दो ही याद कर लो, बाकी तो आपको याद नहीं है. Now some extra sentences. We have just few minutes left. Yes, extra sentences. Whenever you are talking about someone's habit, then you are not supposed to change it. Okay? For example, she said, I always speak truth. This is her habit. So you are not supposed to change it into second form. Always means this is her habit. So she said that she always speaks truth. Because this is her habit, or habits generally, you know, same rehti hain. That's why we don't change the tense. So your answer will be, she said that she always speaks truth. Make is the first form. Will you change it or not? Because this is the fact, this is the truth. 2 and 2 make 4. ये नहीं कि they made 4 अब कुछ और बनाते हैं. Yes. Fact, truth. हाँ जी बेटा, only that. Only that, otherwise same. So in narration, you have to use your common sense also, that this happened in past or this happens today also. Yes. हाँ बेटा, half mark जाएगा. You have to remove inverted commas. Yes, Sahib. हरमन ठीक है? Now says, no change in the tense. Says is written. Only that he was working hard. Same. Because says is written outside, there will be no change. I hope beta you understood this topic. Your homework will be learn. You have to revise. Acha, I gave you one homework yesterday also. What was the homework? Format of application. Who is willing to write on board? Application format. It should be correct. साइप्रित आ जाओ फिर. Let me see. यहाँ पे margin line draw कर दो. Yes. This is the margin of your notebook. Now write down please. Why capital letters? For format गलत हो जाएगा बेटा. Write in small letters. Only T. चलो. till city आप लिखना. After that I'll invite Sumriddhi. Yes. S capital. Samriddhi, get ready. सिमेट्री बहुत अच्छी बन रही है. एस कैपिटल. यस. जेपी नगर इज ऑप्शनल बेटा. यू कैन एक्सक्लूड दिस थिंग. यस समृद्धि, प्लीज कम. अगर लाइन लीव करनी तो एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देना. ओके. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स को दिखेगा नहीं. ट्राई टू राइट बिगर. थोड़ा सा बड़ा लिखो. यस. यस बेटा, एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन रिगार्डिंग सब्जेक्ट. कुछ आप इंस्ट्रक्शन देना चाहो. इट शुड बी शॉर्ट. सब्जेक्ट शुड बी शॉर्ट. और फर्स्ट लेटर आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट शुड बी कैपिटल एंड देयर शुड नॉट बी एन ing वर्ड. ठीक है. ओके, वेल डन. आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट लीव वन लाइन. यस. चलिए बेटा, आई विल मीट यू नेक्स्ट वीक देन. टेक केयर.